Well, welcome to this week's Peace Empire YouTube and weekly forecast. Last week we looked at 4 pairs with DXY, and this weekend we'll be looking at 6 pairs with DXY. But then we will not be laying much emphasis on gold, since in our group we don't trade gold. But I will just take a look at it. So last week when we analyzed DXY, it was here, and I noted this. I noted that DXY will be bullish this coming during the week, and we saw how it was very bullish. Well, for me, I didn't know that it would go this high, but I expected it to be bullish during the week, and this is it. So for next week, I'll be expecting it to complete this move to this level. Complete the move to this level. Then I'll watch the reaction from here. Watch what will. Sorry for that. So I'll watch the reaction from here and watch what will happen to know if it will drop or if it will continue going up. So looking at GBPUSD for this week, GBPUSD has been dropped. So looking at GBPUSD has been dropping for the week. I expected it to go back to this side before dropping, but it continued dropping. It tested to this side, and this alone was on Friday and Thursday. The drop was massive, and this is the level that it is right now. I'll be expecting a reaction here. Since I'm expecting DXY to push up before we know if it will drop or not, I'll be expecting GU to have a kind of distro move here, range around this zone, then drop from here. That is range and then maybe drop, or it might range and push up. But remember, we react to what the market gives us. If not, I would have enforced a bullish move here, at least to this point, and it would have been disastrous for me. We reacted to this. I personally took this particular trade here, this retest to this point. I personally took that trade in lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. So we will see once at this area between Monday, Tuesday, and then we react to it. Also, EURUSD. So EURUSD, this is the 4-hour chart. EURUSD is here to complete the move to these levels. Look at it. The same thing with EURUSD. I was expecting bullish movement last week, but it did not happen. So EURUSD is currently at this area, and I'll be expecting it to drop to this zone. Let's look at the 1-hour chart. Okay, 4 hours. Let's go back to that 4 hour, because the annotations will show here. I'll be expecting it to drop down here, and then we react from this zone and know what we're expecting from there. If it will continue dropping, we react to it. So when it will drop, I'll be expecting GU to be making a kind of distro move. I'll be expecting GU to be ranging around that zone if we are expecting a bullish movement. If not, GU will easily drop, and then we are likely to be expecting that drop from EU too. Be expecting that drop in this area. If GU should drop here, it should be drop from that zone. So we react to. So from here we'll be looking at gold. Okay, this is gold 4 hours. Personally, I don't like trading gold because of past experience, and you can see from previous video, you can go back to watch previous video and you understand what I said here, that I'm not really expecting much of a bullish move from gold. I'm expecting gold to drop from here, and we could see what happened from 15th, the drop from 15th, and went past this level. I'll be expecting it to drop to this level. I'll be expecting gold to drop to this level, or maybe drop to this level and then react from here to fill this imbalance. And those that trade other block can make use of this one, or look at another one. This placement can be used as liquidity level. This level, but at least I'm expecting this move for it to drop from here. Watch the reaction from this zone, and then expect it, if it continues dropping, then expect it to drop to this zone. So that's it for gold. Looking at GBPJPY, GBPJPY. So this is GBPJPY. GBPJPY have been not that neat to trade, although there have been some opportunities for some people, but I wasn't able to see any confirmation during the week. Last week I noted that it will drop to fill this imbalance. It will drop, yes, but the action, I couldn't get it, so I didn't have much to do in GBPJPY. Meanwhile, look at this zone here. Let me just keep this up here. Look at this zone, and you know, the more any zone is tested, the more it becomes weaker. So maybe I'll look out for something like this and then move up and expect a reaction here, and then something like this to this point. I will enter from lower time frame and see if there will be a reaction here or it will continue dropping. But if it keeps so erratic like this in the bullish movement, then I won't react to it, or in the bearish movement I won't react to it. And because of what happened in EURJPY, it made in GBPJPY, made me look at EURJPY, because it's expected that if you are looking at GBPUSD, you should also be looking at EURUSD because they are correlating pairs. The same thing for GBPJPY. You need to be looking at EURJPY too. So this is EURJPY. The bullish move for EURJPY gave more entries in lower time frame than GBPJPY for me using my own strategy. Look at that. At this point, from this point, it gave a clean entry, reacting off this zone in lower time frame. Reacting from this zone and went back up to this zone. You can see that this is a head, shoulder, head pattern. Then it will drop to this place when GJ will drop to this place and then move up. We'll look at how that will play out and then we'll react to it. But in the bullish movement, I'll be targeting this level. In the bullish movement, I'll be targeting this level. But in the bearish movement, I'll be looking for reactions from 136.0. I'll be looking for a reaction there to enter for a buy setup. I'll focus more on EURJPY than GBPJPY because EURJPY have been performing better for me. Not that it has made more moves, but the moves have been neat for me compared to GBPJPY, and it fits my trading pattern too than GBPJPY. So the last one, EURGBP. Someone requested for this particular set analysis, so that's why we'll be looking at it. EURGBP, and so looking at EURGBP, you could see this move here, and it was so wonderful from this point. Also, I'm expecting a reaction down to this resistance down to support. I will expect it. I'm expecting it to drop here and then push to this high. It might not really get to this high, but at least somewhere around this zone. That's what I'm expecting. Also, if it decides to come down, we'll react to it. But personally, I don't trade EURGBP. So someone requested for this, and that's why I'm doing this. This will be the end of it for this week's forecast. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also refer people to this channel. You can make your request for any weekly analysis, how we are expecting any currency to pan out. We'll do well to respond to that. Thank you very much, and see you next weekend.